that day he will blame you. And he will say, you used to walk like this. I tried to call you, but you're not here. And I will say, when did you call me? You did not hear, for you were in flesh. Every time you're in portion, every time you are in dodo, you are just fighting. You will not take my things. For me, it is me who works from here. Enter in the spiritual realm. God is going to fight for you that battle. And he can tell you where you're fighting your place is there and the blessings there waiting for you. The marriage you're fighting for, it is not yours. Yours is there and it's waiting for you long time. But you have insisted in that thing. You've started even avoiding that because you're not in the spirit. The time you enter in spirit, you shall see your belongings. You shall see the things that for our God is faithful. You shall start worshiping God. For we're at the time of worship. God wants to enlighten you. So the worship burns inside of you. Worship light in you. People surrounding feel the worship. And they come to know there is God who is ready. But he will not sit in you when you are in flesh. For a person in flesh doesn't hear the voice of the Spirit. He may sit in you, sitting in his chariot, sitting at his donkey, sitting at his throne. You start reigning him because the flesh is led by the flesh. And you take him in the house, take him in the disco, take him where the battles are. And he says, now see where they take me. But he wants that one of the Spirit. If he sits in him, he knows I'm sitting at the good donkey. He's going to take. As he sits, he shall feel the voices that are worshiping. And everywhere you reach, there will be the voices worshiping. For a person of the Spirit is led by the Spirit. And if he walks like this, the Spirit will tell him, pass, go here and the temple. Walk like this. This is where God's will is. God is going to be glorified to your life, to your things, for you are with the Spirit. Amen. We have done many things, and we have given out many things, but we do them in flesh. And you say, God, but you sold in flesh. And after giving, and you said, now you go aside and you wait for the wage. Said, God, give my wage. But what you've done, you did it in flesh. But it needs you to be in the Spirit. Person in the Spirit doesn't be saved. And everything you do cannot be saved. But the blessing can be appear. Where the Spirit is. Tell your neighbor. And God's blessing appear. Where the Spirit of God is. Every blessing sits there. So you need to be a person of the Spirit. So you may pull God's blessing. So you may pull the blessing of God. Only God sees in spirit everything you do. Worshiping. You may deceive me that you worship God. You may lie your neighbor that you worship God. You tell him that I'm a born again. Being born again, you don't just shout for it. Being a worshiper, you don't just shout for it. But it comes out of you. When you're in the bedroom, even though you're quiet, When you're in darkness,
you
have to worship God. A God of the Spirit sees you in the bedroom, in the corner, sees you when you're alone, sees you when you're two. Where you say no one saw you, God has seen you. So you need to be of the Spirit. So you may know whatever I do. My God sees it. My God sees it. In its which I have it. Tell your neighbor, whatever I think I do, God is going to give me the word. Whatever thing I do, God is going to give me the word. So see whatever you have done. See what you did at night. I want you to speak with prayer. And you say, God is going to give me the word. Whatever I did in the night and this week. What I've done this week, God is going to give me the word. Tell your neighbor that what I've done this week, I believe